Welcome to this episode of Port Talk. I'm your host, Ben Bloomley, and today we're going to talk about tax exemptions. So in Georgia's Chatham County alone, there's a number of exemptions, tax exemptions that homeowners can take advantage for, such as for age, disability, income. But the one we're going to focus on today is the Homestead Exemption. So if you have bought and purchased a property as your primary residence prior to January 1, we want you to consider filing for your Homestead Exemption. By doing so, prior to the deadline of April 1st, that's going to lock in your Stevens Day exemption, which locks in your value for the prior year. The one thing we want to consider, though, is that once that value is locked in, that's locking your prior year value in. So as an example, if you bought your property, say for $100,000, and the prior year value was $125,000, we want to make sure that you wait another year, because if you file it right away, you're going to lock in that higher value of $125,000 versus taking advantage of that good purchase price of $100,000 that you got the property for. And another advantage, once that value is locked in, the county will keep the value at that purchase price for the length that you're living in that property as your owner occupancy. And when the market goes up, it stays the same. If the market goes down, you're able to take advantage of that. But the only actually thing that you want to make sure is you don't file any building permits, because that also is going to affect that Stevens Day value. So any questions regarding possibly all the tax exemptions that you can take advantage of, maybe when to file your exemptions, remember you can always email us at porttalk@seaportrealestate.com, and we'll see you next time.